Hey guys, Jeff from Smoking T-Jets. Just got this off of eBay. You know, if you can get a good price on a piece on eBay, because it's got like the decals or the stickers on it, guys. Again, I'm gonna show you how to get the decals off here. Probably resell it back on eBay. I don't know how the chassis runs. Seriously, I just got it out of the box, but all the dirt and decals they got on it, you know, no one's going to want to just slide that in their collection. Let's look at the bottom of it. Just putting it on the tractor, I noticed it did, which is kind of cool. It's got some, there we go, got some of the sponge tires on the bottom there. Pretty cool. Normal T-Jet tires on the front there. Don't know how it runs. I'm going to put it on the track in just a second. Let me do this. I'll reposition the camera out, see how it runs, but everything else looks pretty good. You know, we can get the decals off there, hopefully with some bit of a warm water type of deal, a little soap and a very soft toothbrush. You see if we can clean that up. But let's see how it runs. All right, guys, let me reposition the camera. Just a sec. All right, here we go. Let's see what we get. Grab the transformer. Grab the juice. Hey, it works. It works. It works. It works. It doesn't seem like it's going too fast, does it? Too funny. Very good. All right, let's do this. What I'll do next is I will take the body from the chassis and we'll find out what's going on with the tires, whether they're not working, do they need to be sanded. Didn't sound like it was like screaming for oil or anything, so I'll probably check out the hubs, the tires, that kind of stuff, just see what's going on with it. Let me see what's going on. All right, let me pull the body from the chassis. Just a sec. Just looking at the back tires when I got the body off there. The back tires, they've been sitting for I don't know how many, and I'm guessing years, but they've got flat spots on them, and they're very brittle. I hesitated taking them off the rims because I think they're going to crack and break when I take them off the rims, but we're going to do it. Going to clean the chassis up, see if we can get the decals off the body there. Let me go ahead and clean up the chassis and see what we can do. Alright guys, just got the body off the chassis there. What I think I'm going to do is I'm going to put on some new hubs. These are kind of yellowed. The back tires that came off, they're sponge, but my gosh, they are so brittle. I think if I pinch them together, they kind of like stay squashed. What I'll do next is I'll grab some hubs, grab some new tread form all the way around, and I'm going to soak that car in some warm water and see if we can get them decals off. Alright guys, got the water ready, getting ready to submerge the body there. Don't know if you can see the steam coming up, but there's a little bit of steam. Again, the water, guys, it's not too hot, it's not boiling. Had it in the microwave for a little bit, so it's a little bit hotter than warm water. You know what I mean? That's what it is. We don't need extremely hot water, but the warm water will help loosen up and get some of these nasty decals on. So I'm going to submerge it in there and just let it go for a bit. I always think with the decals, you know, people go, oh, the decals are really cool. You know, the only person that thinks the decals are cool is the guy that put them on. You know, that's about it. I mean, if you're going to do the decals and you put them on the way you want, of course you like it. Of course you like it. Of course you like it. But you sell it 50 years later to some guy who really doesn't want the decals on there, guess what, guys? I'm getting them off. So here's what I'll do. I'll let that soak for a bit, I don't know, probably 20, 30 more seconds. And I get it out, and I'll see if the decals have loosened up. All right, I think it's time. I've let it soak in there for a bit. Let me go ahead and fish that little bugger out of there. There we go. Let me go ahead and put the camera down, and I will grab that. Wow, look at the way that body came out, guys. Look at that. That is like nice. Totally nice. I got some new tread, got some hubs on the chassis there. I can't wait to put it on the track. Oiled up the chassis, running real good, cleaned the shoes, cleaned the brushes, made sure that the brush springs were refreshed. I wanted to make sure they had good, recoil or spring there. But guys, look at the body there without the decals. That sharp front bumper, gorgeous. Just look at that. All right, I will reassemble, put it on the track, and let's give it a test. All right, guys, just got on the track. Let me give it some juice. Yeah, very nice. Very nice. Look at that. That's doing good. Pretty smooth, too. Around the hairpin real good. Big turn. Yeah, liking that. Boy, came out nice.